I'm Dr. Deepthi Shetty, Clinical Administrator of Image Hospitals and founder of Exam Academy, practicing since 15 years. So, graying of the hair, the present common concern in most of the people. Why? Because the major reasons for the graying of the hair will be genetic history. Because if the parents and the grandparents are encountered with the early graying or the premature graying, definitely the teenagers will be affected with that. And one more thing, whenever any nutritional deficiencies like iron, B12, vitamin D, zinc, copper, all these deficiencies and the improper lifestyle and improper diet pattern will definitely affect with the graying of hair. And in other conditions like more exposure to chemicals can also create an irreversible damage. And in conditions like thyroid, vitiligo, in all the conditions because of the hormonal concerns, the tendency of early graying can be definitely increased because of current scenario in the lifestyle and the improper food patterns and the improper skincare routine as well as with the hair care routine which the regular teenagers are missing. They are ending up with the premature graying of the hair, and definitely and the chances of baldness and the early hair loss patterns are more and more often seen in this age group of people. So definitely the diet supplements definitely will help to reduce with the early signs of graying of the hair. How exactly, when in the particular reason will be either nutritional deficiencies or the oxidative stress, it helps to prevent. But when it comes to the genetical history, these things definitely don't work. So when it comes to nutritional deficiencies, either with the B12 or the folate, definitely the intake of the supplements for the vitamin B12 and folate will delay with the graying of the hair. And when it comes to other things like iron, copper, zinc, and all this condition, good intake of nuts, green leaf vegetables, and regular good healthy vegetables things in the diet will definitely help with. And when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids, also will help to improve your hair and the scalp conditions as well, which are more often available in the seafoods. So that is why definitely for your gray hair concerns, in the supplements like vitamin B complex, vitamin D, folate, and particularly the biotin supplement which helps for your hair concerns, all these routines when added your resume can definitely help to avoid with the graying of hair. So, and one more thing, the deficiency of vitamin D also leads to the signs of graying of hair as well as in the increased hair fall. So frequent blood test routines for vitamin D and B12 has to be done to monitor with their hair concerns. So in vitamin D deficiency condition, the supplements of vitamin D weekly once or at least for 4 to 8 weeks can definitely increase with the levels of the vitamin D, which will reduce hair fall as well as early signs of graying as well. And sufficient exposure to the sunlight in the early mornings will definitely give you good vitamin D supplements which are required when compared to your noons that can be followed in your lifestyle. Unfortunately, there is no solution for the gray hair to turn into black. Nowadays, the research is going on in these concerns. Why? Because the melanocytes, when they stop working in the condition, the graying on the hair will be started. So in that condition, it can't be reversed with our either diet or with the supplements and all. Only thing what we can do is you can choose with the better options like ammonia free and sulfate and paraben free things for the hair coloring and the natural hair dyes which can doesn't harm your regular hair, that can be followed. And still lots of research is going on in this, but in the market currently lots of serums are available to turn the gray hair into black. But only thing, when it can be stubbornly used at least for 3 to 6 months in a twice a day with a minimum age group of 11 to 35s or like 28s, in that age group only, when persistently used twice daily for 3 to 6 months can see a visible noticeable changes. But still lots of research is going on to give the best solutions for the gray hair, yet we have to wait and see. Yes, definitely the natural hair colors like henna are definitely chosen than with the chemical products and the chemical hair dyes which are available in the market. Why? Because the natural henna definitely which includes with the plant-based materials, those are safe and free of side effects and the allergic reactions, as that is free of ammonia and all. But only the drawback with the regular hennas that doesn't give you with the blackish shade whichever required, because that will give you orange to reddish shade. But when it combined with the regular indigo color, it can achieve with the black colors as well. Definitely henna is a safe procedure. When you combine with the chemical hair dye, it's definitely not suggestible. Why? Because chemical hair dyes will give you a good shades of colors and ample colors and a good coloring effect to your output look and all. But it has a lots and lots of chemicals, ammonia and PPDs chemicals which are available, which enhances your graving of hair and ending with your more allergic reactions and sensitivity as well. And use of your chemical dyes will also lead to your pigmentations in the forehead and other concerns with irreparable damage to your skin as well as for the scalp. So definitely choosing with the natural options like henna mixed with the indigo colors will definitely give you good result, and choosing with the hair dyes which are available in the market also, which are ammonia free and paraben free, in that conditions will at least some extent help you in a better way. That's a very good option. But instead of going ahead with the hair dyes before, as prevention is better than cure, giving a good hair regimen followed in the early ages and maintaining your hair in a very good way to prevent the graying of the hair is the best option than searching for the solution after getting with the gray hair.